currently in southern Ohio. Technically I'm on a deer hunt, but it's the first morning I'm down here. I got in last night. I got everything prepped for the next week that I'm down here. And the wind was still just a little off. So I drove over to some public. Or find some squirrel. I've scouted this area once and saw a lot of like the neighboring pressure on it. But I never actually dove into the center, which is pretty hilly and pretty deep. So if this turns out to be good looking deer woods, it might change some plans too. We'll see. It also seems like a lot of the locals are using their four-wheelers to access back in here, which turns deep into not that deep, which is illegal, Ohio, but I'm not gonna stop you. It's not gonna be a fun walk out of here. Been walking this river bottom. I just finally got into some walnuts. Looks like someone's kitchen table. So I think I'm just gonna pop a squat for 20 minutes. See if something scurries around. It's kind of hard to hear what's going on because it's so windy out, which is good for me moving, but doesn't help me hear the squirrel any, that's for sure. I know he's somewhere. Just saw him, little gray squirrel. Might be a little far. Big tail. I heard a bunch of acorns falling over here. About 60, 80 yards. So I'm gonna go venture over there. Pop a squat for a while. I heard a couple more squirrel up the hill, but I'm not here to be greedy. I'm just gonna get a few and get out of here. It's public land. This is everybody's squirrel. We got oak, hickory, the whole valley's hickory. This is a really cool spot. Pretty open up top. I don't want to crest over this hill above me yet. I want to sit here and listen and see if I can hear them scurrying around up there before I completely expose myself. But it's not a good day to see a branch move from a squirrel. It's a bit windy. I'm really not surprised to see that in here. There is not a lot of hunter sign once you get past that first little bit. And I can see why. This terrain is tough. That's a good deer. It's tall. I wish there was something back behind it. You can tell he's just fighting stuff here. Historic one right here and right there. Yeah, this is a good deer spot. I should probably be a little more cautious as I'm in here walking around, but I got the shotgun. It's not like I can hunt them. I can come back later in the week. It's a little windy for squirrel. I don't know if we're gonna see any more, but it's nice to see stuff like this. Well, I just kind of stumbled into a mess of them. There's a couple of white oaks right here, really good feed tree. And I tried to pop on my GoPro that I have mounted up here. The classic GoPro. Froze, shut itself off and killed the battery. So I don't think anything got captured. Just a baby. It's a little guy. Not surprised to see that right here. Or that. I think I just got the one squirrel. Which is kind of embarrassing. There was more than one, and I definitely did not shoot just once. Oops. You can see some of my buckshot. Well, that squirrel was right here, I swear. Oops. I don't see any blood. I'm just not supposed to get a lot of squirrel today. It's getting close to probably 10 o'clock. Good deer sign. I think on a less windy day there'd be a lot better squirrel hunting in here. So I might just skedaddle. I got a meeting at noon anyways. So, although I am on a hunt vacation, world still turns. Well guys, I think that's going to do it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys are having a successful season. Whether you're out there for small game or you've been bit by the deer bug pretty hard already. Which, oddly, I haven't yet. Like, we're going out. Got a lot to do this week with them. But I'm not like, oh my god, we gotta go deer hunting. Obviously. Squirrel hunting. Well, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Can't believe I missed that many times. Maybe it's a good thing that wasn't caught on camera. We don't need that evidence.